What does fat tom mean? Food, acidity, temperature, time, oxygen, and moisture. Let's first talk about food. Most bacteria need nutrients to survive. TCS foods support the growth of bacteria. Acidity. The less acid, the more bacteria will grow and thrive. Temperature. Bacteria grows rapidly in the danger zone between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Time. Bacteria needs time to grow. Oxygen. Not all bacteria need oxygen to grow, but some do. Moisture. Bacteria grows best in areas with high levels of moisture. For example, meat packages if seal is broken. Note, bacteria will grow rapidly if fat tom conditions are perfect. The two things you can control is temperature and time. In order to avoid the growth of bacteria, we need to first discuss preventing contamination. Source contamination, hazards that get into your food before it reaches the establishment. You can prevent this by purchasing from an approved supplier and carefully inspecting food deliveries. Cross contamination, the spread of hazards from one source to another. This can be prevented by good hygiene, food handling, good storage practices, cleaning and sanitizing practices. Flow of food, the path that food follows from production to service. Avoid contamination. Contamination can be avoided or caught early if you take the time to inspect deliveries correctly and only order from approved suppliers. Remember, don't rush food inspections and bring items with you that you know you will need in order to make sure your delivery is fresh. Reject any items that show signs of contamination, like an abnormal smell, ice crystals on frozen packages, which indicate partial thawing, and any signs of pests like mice droppings or gnaw marks on the side of packages. Remember, keep all shelves and packages at least 6 inches from the ground. Food that needs to be kept cold needs to be received at a temperature of 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Foods that need to be kept hot need to be received at a temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter. Eggs can be received at a temperature of 45 degrees or lower. The same with milk. Okay, let's test your knowledge. What is the mnemonic device used in the food industry to remember the 6 conditions that allow bacteria to grow and cause foodborne illnesses? A. Fathom. B. Fat Tom. C. Atom. D. All of the above. B. Food, acidity, temperature, time, oxygen, moisture. Fat Tom. What two conditions can you control in Fat Tom? A. Time and oxygen. B. Food and temperature. C. Time and temperature. D. None of the above. C. You can control how long food stays in the danger zone. When should you avoid deliveries? A. During downtime. B. During breaks. C. During peak hours. D. All of the above. C. You don't want to rush deliveries, so you want to avoid deliveries during peak hours. This is the time you will be the most occupied. How many inches from the ground should your stored items be? A. 6 inches. B. 3 inches. C. 4 inches. D. All of the above. C. Stored items should be at least 6 inches from the floor. What is a sign of rodent infestation? A. Black droppings. B. Gnaw marks. C. Foul odor. Or D. All of the above. D, all of the above. These are all signs of rodent infestation. When should you change your gloves? A, when switching tasks. B, after 4 hours of use. C, before handling ready to eat foods. D, all of the above. D, all of the above. These are all reasons when you should change your gloves, including after touching meat, poultry, or fish. Check out these videos for more safety education and cottage food information. Thank you for tuning into Food Safety Manager Study Guide with Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes. Don't forget, all the flavor minus the frosting.